It's a noble cause to fight for social justice. It is a duty of love to be agents of social change in society. Social justice isn't about good PR. It isn't about showing off a posture of kind of moral superiority. It isn't a facade of social responsibility. It's because we want love as we are loved. We walk in the footsteps of Christ. We believe in true love of one another. We believe in the love of each person. The blessed Lord says to us, as you did it to one of the least of these my brethren, you did it to me. Show love. God love you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired.